Good morning. Today we are on our hike of doom. We are deep inside the border zone between Georgia and Russia. We passed a group of 10 border guards, border patrol, all getting drunk. And the only reason we're doing this is to put a smile on Owen Powell's face, because he is the finest expert of waterfalls there is in the world. And whenever he gets sent a video of a waterfall, a smile creeps across his face and everyone's happy. Happy, Owen? I really hope this pleases you, Owen. It's a long way to climb up. There you go, Owen. Happy? Well, you shouldn't be, because check this out. And there we have it. All we have to do now is get down through the bear-strewn wilderness and try and find some lunch. Good evening. We have, just after we finished the waterfall, it just started pouring it down with rain, and we've driven a few hours south out of the big mountains and into some quite lush kind of green ones. We are near the town of Jarvie, or is it the River Jarvie? And we're continuing our journey south. We have a little bit of time to kill whilst we wait for some car parts in Batumi before we scoot across Turkey.